250.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 250, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Virginia, Augusta, Culpeper, Greene, Madison, Orange, and Rockingham, and the following independent cities: in Virginia, Harrisonburg, Stanton, and Waynesboro. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service has issued West Central Nelson County in Central Virginia, Southwestern Augusta County in Western Virginia, the southwestern city of Waynesboro in Western Virginia, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Buena Vista, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Stewart's Draft, Montebello, Lyndhurst, Greenville, Augusta Springs, Middlebrook, Sumerian, Trimblesville, Mid-Spring, Booth, and Spotswood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. A severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Nelson County in Central Virginia, western Albemarle County in Central Virginia, southeastern Augusta County in Western Virginia, the city of Stanton in Western Virginia, the city of Waynesboro in Western Virginia, until 5 p.m. At 4:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Vesuvius, or 13 miles east of Rockbridge, Mass., moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Stanton, Waynesboro, Stewart's Draft, Crimera, Sharonda, Montebello, Afton, Fashesville, Verona, Lyndhurst, Greenville, New Hope, Middlebrook, Greenwood, Hermitage, Mid-Spring, Spotswood, and Afton Mountain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately